going to apply some NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, taking a concealer brush and just applying it all over my lid. First, I'm going to take my inner tear duct colour, which will be this one that says Brow Bone, but I'm going to be using it as a tear duct colour, taking that with a pencil brush. That to just the top corner, like that. Just there, and leaving the bottom blank. Now with a shader brush, eyeshadow brush, I'm taking this green, which is the eyelid colour. It's a nice shimmery green, like a teal green. I'm applying that to the third of my lid. Then taking the next shade, which is this one, which is the crease colour, with a different eyeshadow brush. I'm just applying that to overlap that green colour. And then the darker blue, which is this one, using that for my crease colour, for the outer V. Going to create a V shape. It looks more like a really dark blue, almost black, but it's not. Sort of extend the V like that. And now going back to that lighter blue, I'm just going to sweep that across the crease line, like so. Bringing it all the way into the inner corner. I'm using a pencil brush because it's a lot more precise. And also, as you're doing this, also sort of extend the line as well, like that. Don't worry, I will neaten it up if it looks messy. And then just to define the crease a bit more, I am taking the shimmery black definer shade. And I'm just going to use another pencil brush and place that in the crease line, like so. Sort of creating a cut crease, but very gentle. And also create like a V shape in the outer corner with that dark blue that we added earlier. And go back and add a bit of that shimmery blue into the middle. And then for my highlight colour, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Vanity palette and using that off-white shade there and a flat shader brush. So for the bottom, I just added the NYX's Jumbo Pencil. I'm going to take that green and just place it in that section there, that corner. And that's it. I'm just going to leave the bottom bare. So I'm just going to line my top lash line. I'm using the L'Oreal Super Liner Carbon Gloss. And then lining my bottom lash line with the MUA eyeliner pencil in jet black. So then going to apply my lashes and mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the finished look. I actually added some of that blue to the bottom of my waterline, just because it looked a bit dark, so I wanted to maybe brighten up a little bit. I actually changed the bottom of my inner tear ducts and put the two top shades just to brighten up the eyes, because the eyes looked like it was really like closed up and dark, so it made it a little bit brighter. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you the rest of my face. So the lighting was so bad when I filmed the rest of my face, so I thought I'd show you in my kitchen just what the look actually looks like. So these are what the eyes look like again. So what I put on my face, I used my, obviously contoured with my Sleek Face Contour Kit in dark. And then for my cheeks, I used my La Femme blushes. I used that one and that one, and I cannot remember what they are called. I'll put everything down below. So I just left my cheeks like sort of with just a hint of a blush colour. And then on my lips I used NYX's lip pencil in Nude Pink, which swatches like that. And then this Wet n Wild lipstick 901B, I think it's called Think Pink. It's a matte lipstick, which looks like that. And then just to sort of make it look less ashy, I use another Wet n Wild product. This is a Wet n Wild lip pencil in Plumberry. It's like a plummy colour. And I just apply that to the outer corners and just sort of blended it into the lipstick colour. And then for lip gloss, I used the NYX Round lip gloss in Sorbet. And also, just to line my outer corner of my lips, I use a brown lip pencil, which I always use. This is not a drugstore, but I had to use this. This is Max Cork lip pencil. So this is the finished look. I wasn't sure what I was going to be going for when I started just experimenting with the palette, but it's a very bold look, as you can see, so you can probably wear this to go out or for an event, or I don't know, depending if you have a nice dress that would probably go with this look. But I will be doing more tutorials with drugstore products for those who don't want to spend so much on MAC and other high-end products, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I hope you liked this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you in my next video. Bye guys.